Quick disclaimer here, I went ahead and installed the required AA batteries for the controller. There's 2 of them, and then I ensured that the rechargeable battery was already working before I had him unbox this. I wanted to have him play with it right out of the box, so I went ahead and opened it up, removed the twist ties that were holding the wheels together and the controller to the side of the box. So I'm actually showing this video here and it's already been out of the box. I just wanted to see him open it up and play with it right from the start and go. So that's what you're seeing here. Turn it upside down and turn it up. We have hardwood floors, so this thing runs really fast over the hardwood floors. We also brought it outside, which you'll see here in a few minutes. We're really happy with it. Love it. Super fast. Oh.